Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share Plum Body Mist review. Like I have almost all the mist, like all the variants with me. So I got all the mini samples of all the variants so that I can buy the perfect one for me. And it will be a brutal honest review, so yeah, let's get started. Before jumping into the final review, you need to know one term which is like very important for you to know, and it is called fragrance notes. So what is fragrance notes? So basically a fragrance or any kind of mist EDP doesn't has any one separate fragrance. It has like three kind of layers. These are called top notes, middle notes and base notes. So top notes is basically the very first smell. Whenever you spray a perfume, the very first smell is called top note. So like these are the very first smell whenever you spray a perfume. जब आप एक perfume mist को spray करते हो तो सबसे पहला जो आप fragrance smell कर सकते हो, that is called top note. So the second one is called middle notes. And what are middle notes? So when top notes gets faded, जब top notes fade हो जाते हैं तो you can smell the fragrance that is called middle notes. And these the middle notes are basically the main part of the fragrance. These form the main body of the fragrance EDP or body mist or anything. Last one is called base note. The very last smell you can smell is called base notes. When these perfumes, body mist or fragrance gets faded, the very last fragrance which still stays are called base notes. First variant I have is Plum Body Mist in the variant Tripping Mimosa. So basically it's a citrusy fragrance, but it's not too much citrusy or it's not too much sweet. I mean, it has a perfect balance. This particular fragrance is like very summer coated. I just love the vibe of it. So the top notes is grapefruit, big strawberry and passion fruit. And the middle notes are vanilla orchid, peony and red berries. And base notes is woody, oak moss and musk. It smells citrusy, it has hints of floral, and it is not too sweet or like not too citrusy. I mean, the balance is so perfect. It has that summer kind of vibes, and it has that main ingredient which is called mimosa. So mimosa is like a fruit which adds a very fresh, juicy kind of summer kind of vibes to it. This mist is very good for daily use. Also, it is not at all overpowering. It is very soft and gentle. Feels very warm. This is one of my favorites. So yeah, I'll rate it 10 out of 10. And I just love this. Perfect for daily use, and I'm also like thinking to get the bigger bottle for this one. It is so good for daily use. The next one is Plum Body Mist in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. So basically this perfume is also a tropical kind of fragrance, but it has like a beachy vacation kind of vibes. It is tropical without being too much sugary. I mean, it feels very warm, cozy, and the fragrance is very decent. So the top notes is pear, mandarin and lychee. The middle notes are gardenia, freesia and magnolia. Base notes are white musk, amber and vanilla. The opening of this mist feels very refreshing. It has that beautiful pineapple and some amazing citrusy kind of fragrance. It has that sunshine kind of energy. The fragrance is not over sweet, not over citrusy, and also it has a slight hint of vanilla. The fragrance is very pleasing. This is also like one of my favorite. Love the fragrance. Fragrance makes you feel that you are in a beachy vacation if you are looking something for daily use. So 10 out of 10. Also one of my favorite. So the next variant is called Vanilla Vibes, and I had so much expectation from this variant, but this turned out to be so bad. Sorry, but I don't like it. It has no perfume, like no fragrance notes. I feel fragrance is very alcoholic and very overpowering. Also, I find it like it is very over sweet. The sweetness is not balanced at all. It is a vanilla perfume, right? But I don't feel that it has that vanilla kind of fragrance. I don't know, I feel it is like very sugar kind of fragrance, like too much sugary kind of fragrance, very over sweet. I don't find it pleasing at all. This fragrance is so overpowering and oversweet. 3 out of 10. I don't know why people has hyped this product that much. Also, this one has no fragrance notes. I couldn't find any notes. it just says that it has vanilla as the main ingredient. The next one is plum body mist in the variant smoking vanilla, and it feels very warm, cozy, and the mist feels like you are hugging a teddy bear. The vibe of this fragrance is very warm and cozy and very comforting. Being a vanilla mist, it is not like very sugar kind of vanilla. It is more towards a warm and cozy kind of vanilla. I find it amazing because it is not overly sweet. It has that perfect balance. Top notes is honeysuckle and woody. Middle notes is vanilla and balsam. I don't know how to pronounce balsam or balsam. Base notes is white musk and amber. So it has that beautiful touch of honey which feels so good. Feels like you are in a very warm and cozy cafe. Even if you are someone who is not fond of vanilla fragrance, you will still gonna love it because it is perfectly balanced and you will feel like you are hugging a warm and cozy teddy bear. Smoking vanilla is basically a fragrance like whenever a bonfire is fading. So the very last fragrance of the fading of bonfire you get, like not that ashy kind of fragrance, but the gentle and that refreshing atmospheric fragrance. It is called smoking vanilla. So it is not kind of sugary kind of cupcake vanilla, but it is more in a comforting and cozy and warm kind of fragrance. Smoking vanilla is much better than this vanilla vibe. I mean, so much better. I love this fragrance and I don't mind getting the bigger bottle of this variant. I didn't like the vanilla vibes, but this is so amazing. I just love it. So 10 out of 10. And I also tested these mist and these are quite long lasting. I mean, I sprayed it in the evening and I can smell it the next morning, so it is that much long lasting. If you are still confused which one to buy, you can get the sample. Like, getting a sample is very helpful. You can check, like you can see which fragrance is your kind of vibe, and then you can get the bigger bottle. So yeah, overall these are my top favorite. I love Dripping Mimosa, Hawaiian Rumba and Smoking Vanilla. So I find these very pleasing and amazing fragrances. You can get this from Nykaa or from Plum official website. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.